I am John Kennedy, the 35th President of the United States. Watch other episodes of this channel to understand how, through technology, I am here with you today. I came to tell you about what was perhaps the most important day in human history. Did you know that the world came very close to ending in 1962? It was a crisis without precedent, when two nations, the United States and the Soviet Union, faced each other over power, fear, and survival. It all began when we discovered that the Soviet Union was installing nuclear missiles in Cuba, only 90 miles from the coast of Florida. The Cold War, which had already divided the planet, suddenly became a real threat of total destruction. Within days, the fate of the world rested in my hands, and in those of Nikita Khrushchev. I remember the tension, the silence in the White House rooms, the decisions that had to be made with a cool head and a burning heart. We ordered a naval blockade around Cuba and demanded that the missiles be removed. Every move, every word could have been taken as an act of war. For 13 days, the entire world held its breath. Millions of people believed that nuclear war was inevitable. I feared that outcome too, but I knew that real power lies not in strength, but in prudence. Dialogue became our last hope. I sent secret messages, negotiated in silence, and in the end, Khrushchev agreed to withdraw the missiles as long as the United States promised not to invade Cuba and removed its own missiles from Turkey. Peace prevailed, but only barely. The Cuban Missile Crisis was more than a political confrontation. It was the moment when humanity stared into the abyss and chose to step back. I learned that courage is not pulling the trigger, but preventing it from being fired. Today, looking at this new world you live in, I wonder about the threats that still exist. Have we truly learned from the past, or are we only waiting for the next crisis to remember the value of diplomacy? And you, do you believe that power should be measured by strength or by wisdom? What would you do if the fate of millions rested in your hands? Share your thoughts in the comments. Spread this story to remind others that peace is the true victory. And subscribe to Marvels and Mysteries. History continues, and you are part of it.